Hello everyone, and today we will be discussing about how to create a Shopify gift card. So now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. First of all, what you need to do is simply head over to your discounts section, and once you are there, click on discount or create discount. You can see we have various type of discounts available. What you can do is simply create a discount on total order amount, and you can use it as a gift card and share it with your friends. Simply enter in here whatsoever you would like. So click on create or generate random code. You can copy this and use it as a gift card. If you want to go one step further, you can simply install a gift card application. Head over to your make sure you click on save if you want to do. So this is search for gift card, and we are going to be searching it in the Shopify app store. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So you can see we have various apps offering different type of gift card services. You can go for these and they are going to be providing you a good value. So yeah, that is how simply you can basically provide discount and create a gift card in Shopify. I hope this is the one that you're looking for, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.